Friends, in this video we will learn how to add new customers in the database. Here in the list you will find the option Customers. Simply click on it. Click on Add Customers. Fill in the customer details. The email address, also the phone number. Other informations like reward packages. So reward packages refers to the membership packages. So if there are any packages like gold, silver or whatever, you can fill in here. Available points. So available points are the loyalty or membership points. Additional details like it's a regular customer or whatever details you want to fill in here, you can add. Simply click on Save. You have successfully added the customer. This is the data that we have just created. Here on the customer data page, you will find these three options. Let's click on this pan icon. So if you want to make changes in the customer name, email address, phone number or any other detail, you can make the changes here by simply editing the details and then click on Save. Another option is these three dots. Let's click on this and we can view the customer details. Customer details like available points, total of points spent, average spent, phone number and other details. Now, if you click on this pan icon, this will take you to the same page that we just explored. Another option here is to delete. Now, if you want to delete the data for this customer, simply click on this and the data will be deleted. And today we learn to create customer group. Here you will find the option Customers. Click on Customer Group. Alright. So customer groups are created in case you want to segregate the customers for giving offers based on the group or membership or for running the campaign based on the group. So to create a group, go to this option, Add New Group. Click on this. Let's name this group as Silver Platinum. You can name anything based on your business module. Click on Active and then Done. Okay, so now Silver Platinum, this group has been created and now you will add the details in it. Go to this Group Details. Alright, so here we have two sections. This is B2B sales, which is mostly for wholesale transactions, and this is the data for B2C sales, which is more of retail transactions or retail sales. So now here we have two rule types, reward sale and reward register. Reward sale, this will work when customer has made sale of an X amount. And reward register, this will work when customer has registered for the first time. So for every new registration, the customer will earn certain welcome points. Let's see how. For reward sale, the spend amount you can decide. Let's say for 50 rupees spent, the customer will earn let's say 10 points. Let's make it active. For reward point, when the customer has made the registration, so customer, let's say, will earn 50 welcome points, and every single point, let's say it's of 2 rupees. So this data, and we'll click on Active. Now this data has been filled. Now we'll go to B2B rules or wholesale transaction or wholesale business details. So here you will select the products because this is B2B, is all about wholesales. Okay, so all products we'll select. Discount, you can select how much discount you wish to give. Let's say 10% discount we have selected. Discount type, that it would be flat some rupees, or discount would be in the form of percentage. Select whatever goes with your business module. Click on active and go to save. Alright, so this detail, silver, platinum, this has been saved here. So that's how you can create the customer group. I believe this helps you. Contact us for more queries. Thank you.